Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoPulse. The 2025 Toyota Camper Motorhome is here, and it's making waves in the vanlife and adventure travel communities. Whether you're a weekend warrior or planning full-time life on the road, Toyota's latest offering brings a solid mix of reliability, innovation, and comfort, all wrapped up in that signature Toyota durability. First off, let's talk about the base vehicle. Built on the new generation Toyota Hiace platform, the 2025 camper version includes upgraded suspension and a more powerful yet efficient 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine, delivering 204 horsepower and over 500 Nm of torque. That's more than enough grunt to handle hills, backroads, and a fully loaded camper build. For those preferring cleaner energy, there's also a hybrid variant available, combining a 2.5-liter engine with electric motor assist, providing better fuel economy and smoother acceleration, especially in stop-and-go traffic or urban camping scenarios. Toyota's designers have kept the camper layout sleek and intuitive. The 2025 model introduces a more modular design, letting buyers choose from several interior configurations. Whether you're traveling solo, as a couple, or even with a small family, there's a layout to match. Most versions come with a convertible dinette, a compact kitchenette, and a pop-top or high roof designed to allow standing height. Inside, the materials feel both upscale and rugged. Surfaces are easy to wipe down after a dusty trail, and soft-close drawers add that little touch of luxury. One of the standout features is the smart lighting system, adjustable LED lights with various color temperatures, allowing you to set the mood whether you're reading, cooking, or just winding down. Ambient lighting is also motion sensitive, which is a neat touch for nighttime bathroom runs without blinding yourself or your partner. The kitchenette includes a 2-burner induction cooktop, a 70-liter 12V fridge, and a stainless steel sink with hot and cold water. The freshwater tank holds about 90 liters, while the gray water tank is slightly smaller at 70 liters, both more than enough for a few days off-grid. There's also an optional water filtration system for those who want to refill from rivers or public taps while on the move. Climate control is another area where Toyota has stepped up. The camper comes with a built-in diesel heater and roof-mounted fan standard, and there's an optional rooftop AC unit for those camping in hotter climates. Insulation is solid, using eco-friendly recycled materials that not only regulate temperature but also reduce noise. Powering your devices on the road has never been easier. The camper is equipped with a dual lithium battery system totaling 300 Ah, charged by a combination of a 200W solar panel on the roof, a DC-DC charger linked to the engine, and shore power input. The energy system is managed through an integrated touchscreen, which gives you real-time updates on power levels, water tank status, and even the cabin temperature. There's also an app version that syncs to your phone, super convenient for monitoring everything from your campsite chair. Now let's talk storage. Toyota knows how important it is to make use of every square inch, and this camper doesn't disappoint. Overhead cabinets, underseat storage, and a rear garage space large enough to store folding bikes or outdoor gear are all standard. Some models even include a side pull-out pantry and external storage lockers, making it easier to keep dirty or wet gear outside the living area. Sleeping arrangements vary by model. The most common configuration includes a fold-out bed that converts from the dinette, along with an optional pop-top with a second sleeping area. The pop-top version adds both sleeping space and ventilation, thanks to mesh windows and blackout shades. The mattress quality is surprisingly high for a camper van, no more waking up with a sore back. Bathroom facilities are compact but functional. There's a slide-out cassette toilet, a fold-down sink, and a handheld shower wand, all tucked inside a wet bath with waterproof walls and a ventilated skylight. While it's not spa-level luxury, it definitely beats having to find a public restroom in the middle of the night. For those who prefer more space, there's an optional external shower and privacy tent setup. Driving the 2025 Toyota Camper Motorhome is also a pleasure. It comes equipped with Toyota's full suite of safety features: lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, 360-degree camera, and automatic emergency braking. The cabin is driver-focused, with ergonomic controls, a large 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and upgraded noise insulation that makes long drives a lot quieter and more enjoyable. Fuel economy is solid for a vehicle of its size, with the diesel version averaging around 25 to 28 miles per gallon, and the hybrid nudging into the low 30s. While it's not going to outpace a compact car, it's excellent for a camper that can carry all your gear and still go off the beaten path. Finally, let's talk price. The base model starts at around $68,000, with fully loaded versions pushing up to $85,000. That might seem steep, but considering you're getting a reliable Toyota platform with a full suite of camper features built in, plus the option for customization, it's actually quite competitive compared to other camper vans in the same category. In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota Camper Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a mobile tiny home engineered for freedom, flexibility, and comfort. Whether you're chasing sunsets along the coast, exploring national parks, or just looking to simplify your life and hit the open road, this camper is ready for the journey.